Hello everyone, welcome back to our Google Classroom. We have learned how to make an assignment and grade an assignment in the previous videos. Now in this video we will discuss how to create quizzes. So for that we'll go to classwork, then we'll go to create, and here then quiz assignment. Now we'll write down the title. So it is quiz 1 and instructions are optional. I'll write down all questions are compulsory. All questions are compulsory. Now you can see here a Google blank quiz with Google Forms, in Google Forms you can say. So I'll click here. Now this blank quiz has come up and it's written form description. It is optional. If you want to write down any description about your form, you can write down, otherwise you can skip. So at first we'll select a question type. For this we will click on this drop down, and here we get a range of options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, etc. Though there are so many other also at the bottom, but the above ones are frequently used in creating quizzes. So there are, so I'll take multiple choice first, and here I'll write down my first question. Okay, put the right article before the word air, and then it was multiple choice, it is here. We have option 1, so we'll write down here a, then add another option, go here, and then add, it is an, then add another option, the, then I'll add one more here, none. And then after filling up, after writing the question and then filling up the options, I'll go to scroll this answer key here. Then I'll click the right answer and I'll give points to this question, 2 points. And then there's one more column, add answer feedback. I'll just click here, and then it is incorrect answer. If the student gives an incorrect answer, then this answer, this feedback will appear before him. So I'll say sorry. That's up to you. You can write down sorry, wrong answer, good luck next time, or you can say wrong answer, the right answer is this, and for correct answer I will again fill the feedback, correct answer, so I'll say right, then save, and then after saving this I'll click on done, and then this small button has appeared after clicking on done. It is required. So required is that I have made this question mandatory. So you cannot proceed to the next question unless and until you attempt this question. So it is mandatory. Now I'll try one more question. So to add a question, we'll click on this plus sign here, and this question number 2. So here I'll choose question from this drop down. So I'll take, this time I will take multiple choice question again, but I will show you how to add an image to this multiple choice question. So I'll click on this image icon here, and now we have got so many options. Camera by URL, that is from outside, you can give the link, then Google Drive, or Google image search. I'll browse from here, photo library, and then I'll take this Taj Mahal. Okay, I'll take this picture. So this is my picture is here now. I can write down a question here. Identify the historical monument shown in the picture. Then I'll give option 1 here. So I'll give Lal Killa. Then add other option. So here I'll give option 2 Qutub Minar. Then I'll add one more option here, option 3. So I'll write down here India Gate. And then one more option, that is Taj Mahal. Now after this, I'll enter answer. So I'll click on answer key. So the right answer is Taj Mahal. Then after that, I'll give points. Again, I'll give 2 points. Then add answer feedback. As I've already told you, you can give your feedback according to your choice, whatever you want to give. Then save and then done. And then after that, scroll down and you will get this required button. So we'll make it required, that is mandatory question. Now after that, I'll try to add, I will try one more type of question here. So I'll click on plus sign.
Now from this drop down, I'll choose another type of question. So this time I'll take check boxes.
So what are these check boxes? It is basically used when there are multiple correct answers. Then we use check boxes. So I'll write down a question here. Choose words that need article A before them. So I'll give them 4 options, and out of which more than one is correct. So option 1 is, I will say apple. Okay, then add another, add option. University. Then again add option. I'll take honest. Then add option. Okay, I'll take table. Then same procedure, I'll go to answer key here and click the right answer. So is university and table, and I'll give points here. I'll give 2 points here. And then again add answer feedback if you want to, it's optional. Then I'll click on done and then make it required. This is required. So this is third type of question I have done. Now I'll add one more type of question here by clicking on the sign plus.
Now again from this drop down, I'll select another type of question. This time I'll take short answer.
So here I'll write down my question. Write in one line the theme of the poem trees. Okay, then okay, I'll write down answer here, answer key. So I'll add answer here, messages. We should grow more trees. This is my answer. Then I'll give points to it. I'll give 4 points to it. And then add answer feedback. If you want to, then we'll go again here. I'll just then save, then after done, and then required. So okay, I'll take the last question, one more type here. Paragraph. Write a summary of the poem Trees in your own words here. So there is no need to give answer here as it is subjective and you cannot give. So I will add points here. So I'll give them 7 points. I'll give 7 points and done. Here done, and then again I have the same option that is required. And I would like to explain this icon bar just very briefly because we have already done most of the icons here. So here the first one is plus sign, that is to add question. Then second is import question. Question that if you want to take a question that have already been used in the previous quizzes. Then next is T, it is for add title and description, that it is image icon, add image, we have already done in Taj Mahal. And then with this it is a video sign, so you can add video and you can ask questions on that video after adding. And this last one is add sections. If you want to make more sections of your quiz, then you can add this. Now we'll go to settings. On the top we have the settings button, so we'll go here, settings, and here you can see that you have general, presentation and quizzes. So we'll click on quizzes. We want to make it a quiz, and then here we have 2 options. First is immediately after each submission you want to give the result, or later after manual review. So we will click on the second one because there's so many options we want to learn from here. So later after manual review, and then after that we can save here, and then you can have this preview. So this is our quiz now, it is ready. We'll discuss how to send it to the students in the next video. So thank you so much.